Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to Eva RooMath. How are you? I hope you are fine, right? In the midst of this COVID-19 pandemic, please take care of your health, please stay at home, stay positive, and stay productive, okay? Let me introduce myself. My name is Eva Selviana, and you can call me Eva. I'm student majoring in mathematics, Faculty of Mathematics and Natural Science, University of Lampung, Indonesia, 2018. In this video, I would like to present one of branch in statistics, namely parametric and non-parametric statistics. The material points from video today are definition of parametric and non-parametric statistics, the characteristic of them, the example of tests, and the strength and weakness of parametric and non-parametric statistics. Well, the purpose of this video, I hope you can understand more deeply about parametric and non-parametric statistics. So, are you ready? Let's go! Wait. Before it, I wanna ask you guys, do you know what is statistic? Don't worry guys, I will tell you. Statistic is the science which learn about how to plan, collect, analyze, interpret, and present the data. In short, statistic is the science concerned with data. Based on data distribution assumption, statistics divided into two, namely parametric statistics and non-parametric statistics. Parametric statistics is the science of statistics that consider the type of distribution which the data is spread normally or not. While non-parametric statistics is the science of statistical free distribution, it does not require a form of the population parametric distribution, whether normal or not. Non-parametric statistics are usually used on nominal or ordinal data scale. Well guys, after we know about definition of parametric and non-parametric statistics, so what is the characteristic? Okay, first, characteristic of parametric statistic. Data with internal and ratio scale. Data spread or normally distributed. Second, the characteristic of non-parametric statistic. Data not normally distributed. Generally, it uses nominal and ordinal data scale. Generally, done on social research. Generally, the number of the sample is small. Well guys, for your information, each of these types of statistics has several methods for testing. Examples of tests conducted on parametric statistics are 1. Z-test. It's 1 or 2 samples. Then t-test. 1 or 2 samples. Person correlation and designs of the experiment. And then the example of tests conducted on non-parametric statistics. First, sign test. Second, rank sum test, or we call it Wilcoxon test. Third, Fisher probability exact test. And the last is chi-square test. Well guys, the last point of this video is about the strength and the weakness of parametric and non-parametric statistics. So we are going to the parametric statistic. The strength of parametric statistic is the condition parametric requirement of a population that is sampled are usually not tested and considered eligible. The weakness of parametric statistic: 1. Population must have the same variance. And 2. The variable must be measured at on interval scale. Well, we are going to the non-parametric statistic. The strength of non-parametric statistics are: 1. It doesn't require the assumption of normality. 2. In general, non-parametric statistical methods are easier to do and easier to understand. And the weakness is: the result of testing hypotheses with non-parametric statistics are not as sharp as using parametric statistics. And then, the result of non-parametric statistics cannot be extrapolated to be the study population as in parametric statistics. So guys, the conclusion of this parametric and non-parametric addition video is: based on data distribution assumptions, statistics are divided into two, namely parametric and non-parametric statistics. Parametric statistics are generally used for normally distributed data, while non-parametric statistics are used for data that is small in size and not normally distributed. Before I close the video, I have one question for you guys, and you have answered it. Okay, a data on community trends toward the maintenance of village facility was carried out in May 2020. Based on 20 sample members chosen randomly, it turns out that 8 people chose manual treatment and 12 modern treatment. The question is, what type of statistics are above? Yup, correct. The answer is non-parametric statistics. Why? Simple. You can see the number of samples used. If it is broke 30, usually the method to be used is non-parametric statistics because the sample size is small. It's easy, right? Okay guys, that was a video of parametric and non-parametric statistics. Hopefully this can help you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to these accounts, and look forward to the next video. In closing, love made first and then it will love you. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum. Goodbye.
Remember when I told you no matter where I go, I'll never leave.